Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Eldorado GG Complete Beginner Tutorial. In this quick tutorial, let's walk through how to use Eldorado.gg. Start by opening your browser and searching for the site, then log in or create a new account. Verification is fast and simple. Once you're signed in, explore the main categories at the top, including currency, accounts, top-ups, items, boosting services, and gift cards. If you want to top up a game like Valorant, open the top up section, choose the game, select your region and amount, and proceed for checkout with your preferred payment method. For accounts or items sold by individual sellers, always review their ratings, completed orders, and customer feedback to avoid scams. Once your account is ready, navigating and buying on Eldorado.gg becomes quick and convenient, letting you safely get the game services you're looking for. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.